We're going to look at our gradebook features in MyMathLab. If you click on the left toolbar, Gradebook, and it'll always bring you to this home screen where underneath you'll have your full list of roster. But I first wanted to touch base with managing completes. So usually we would have to go in and put in all these zeros. But with MyMathLab, this amazing feature managing completes that you'll just kind of click the boxes, hit submit, and it'll give the students who didn't complete any assignments zeros. So click on manage and completes at the top. You can either choose submit zeros or current scores. I like to do current scores. So sometimes students maybe do 2 questions of the 10 or, 5 of the 20. So at least they can get some points rather than just zero. And then I usually click on apply late penalty. And then if you scroll down, here will be a list of all of your homeworks and all of your quizzes, including the practice test. So say it's the day after your Unit 1 test and you want to give all the Unit 1 assignments zeros for students who didn't complete it or partially completed it. So I'll click on all the Unit 1 assignments. And to the right, you'll see where this zero is. You'll probably have like a 1, a 3, a 2. And so those are the students who did not complete their assignments. So after you choose all Unit 1 assignments, scroll down and click Submit. Then after you click Submit in your gradebook, you can open your gradebook and you'll see all the students who didn't complete those assignments. There are now zeros in place of that. So it's real-time scoring. And then just hit done. And that's how you manage your incompletes.